Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, July the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and a 4-star Sudoku. So it's time now for the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this JigSaw Sudoku. JigSaw Sudoku number 8952. By the way, news of the day. Well, Kamala Harris, the vice president, will follow Joe Biden with a campaign for president. Yeah, Kamala for president. Against Trump. Who will win? Yeah, Kamala or Trump? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started with this puzzle. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. And the hard ones, yes, there's always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. Double those numbers, yeah. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Maybe it's a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 30 minutes. Maybe it's a 1 star puzzle. 1 star puzzle needs to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 0, 1 star, or 3 stars? That's the question. First question to you for this JigSaw Sudoku. Do we have here single boxes? No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here we have a dual box. 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there. So the 1 should be here. The 2 goes there. Same for here. 1 and the 2. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question. Do we have had triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2. And this triple box should be here. So the 1 and the 3 are left. And this triple box, when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 4 already in the same area, so this box should be a 5 then. More triple boxes, let me check. No, how about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1. Alright. And those are the shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah, that's all. Only 2 of them. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them, but you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. Let me see. These 3 boxes. Surround of 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Well, interesting. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes. And in. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be in and 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, but also that box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 4. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this triple box should be here, and the 1 goes there. Here 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Then let me see. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also at 3. Then this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. Well, 2, okay. Yeah, I need to think. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, or a 4. We have a double 3 there, we have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes, and there. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. 3 and the 4, okay. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Alright. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and the 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And now, then, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there then. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution. Place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. All right. Okay. Then, let me see. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes here. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. The other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Again, 3 and a 4. Alright. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 5, because can it be a 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area, for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, and now I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 5, those two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you. Should be a 0 stars. Faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the see you in the evening. Until then, bye bye for now.